Uh-oh, what are you doing?
I'm coming.
You coming?
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Get my shoes on.
You are?
I'm getting my shoes on.
Those are awful big shoes. Can you zip them up?
Oh, sure.
There you Uh-oh. That's okay. You can still wear them. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this on.
Are you getting ready to go somewhere?
I know. I'm just walking.
Will Mom help you get up?
Yeah. Give this on.
Hold on. There we go.
Tight.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm coming.
You're looking good.
I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm coming.
Careful. Whoa. Careful.
I'm coming. This is too big.
Are you sure?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Hey, how old are you?
Rabbits.
No, not. What's your name?
2.
How old are you?
2.
And what's your name?
2.
What's your name?
2.
2? Your name's not 2.
Yeah?
Is your name? Hey, Lisbeth. What does Pi call you?
Baby Pepper.
Baby Pepper.
Yeah.
You Baby Pepper. What does Mama call you?
Mother Pepper.
No. What do I call you?
Baby Pepper.
I call you Baby Pepper too, not Storza?
No.
What does Chia call you?
Mother Pepper.
No, Chia says BB.
Baby.
That's what she says. Austin too. Because that's what he says. Whoa, careful.
I'm coming. Can I bring in this in the car?
What do you want to take in the car?
My boots.
Your boots? I thought those were Mama's boots.
This is my boots.
Oh, okay. We'll see. Maybe you can show them to Chia later. Okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.